Cleaning iron from rust. The purpose of the experiment is to prove which acid will clean iron best from rust. Equipment and reagents. For this experiment, we'll need iron objects with rust, two 50 ml beakers. We'll use two acids, oxalic acid and hydrochloric acid, tweezers, and paper towels. This is the methodology of this experience. First of all, we put 3 to 5 rusted thumbtacks into beakers. Step 2. Pour 20 ml of oxalic acid in one beaker and hydrochloric acid in the other beaker. Step 3 is to mix the two beakers with a stirring rod or by taking the beakers in your grip, like it's showed in the video, and carefully agitate them for a while. After that, let them sit until the acids start reacting with the rust and the thumbtacks. Step 5. Pick up a beaker that contains hydrochloric acid in it and take out one of the thumbtacks and place it on a paper towel. Step 6 is to clean it off from acid and rust remains, cleaning it off with a paper towel. We observe that hydrochloric acid reacted fully with the rusted thumbtacks and removed the rust completely. This is the reaction. Meanwhile, with the beaker with oxalic acid, we see that it hasn't reacted fully with the rust, so we leave it for some time to fully react with the rusted objects. After a while, we see that the solution turned into a brown color, meaning that the rust has come off the thumbtacks. Now we repeat step 5 and 6. We observe that the oxalic acid reacted completely with the rusted thumbtacks. This is the reaction between oxalic acid and the rust that occurred in the beaker. After cleaning off the rust remains, we see that the thumbtack looks brand new. In conclusion, both hydrochloric acid and oxalic acid interact with the rusted objects, which help cleaning them from the rust, restoring them, and becoming brand new and reusable again.